So E for Life is on a mission to shape a world where the sexual health and rights of young women and girls are protected and treated with the utmost respect. We've got Board Chairman Garfield Robinson and Program Officer Shanna Lee Smith here with us. Good morning to you both, and thank you for being here. So Garfield, I'm going to start with you. You guys have been doing this since 2008.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about how this NGO was formed?
All right. The co-founders, Joy Crawford and Patricia Watson, they looked at what was happening in the landscape for children and women who were being marginalized and being affected by intergenerational sex, you know, and the stigma with HIV, AIDS, and all of those things. So they came up with the idea to, you know, become the leaders and the champion for helping the cause.
Yeah, and so this organization started. Where is it based?
So our head office is in Kingston on 53 Renfield Drive, but we have other centers in Ocho Rios, Montego Bay, and Westmoreland.
Okay, and tell me, Shanna, what happens at those centers?
All right, so we offer support. Well, we don't have a physical space, so we have satellite staff, satellites who will do house visit, home visit, hospital visit to our clients, HIV positive girls, our sexual abuse survivors, and our OVC children, which are orphaned and vulnerable children within the context of HIV and gender-based violence.
How big is the staff of E4Life?
So in office we have 5 technical staff, but we have 17 mentors, and these are program graduates who have been enrolled in our program. We have empowered them, and now they're giving back their services by empowering new clients that we enroll.
I have seen some of the work you have done. Well, I spoke with Ms. Joy last year or the year before. I've seen some of the work you've done in the communities through UNICEF videos that have been put out, because you work closely with, with UNICEF as well. When you say you do the kind of outreach or mentorship, or tell us a little bit about, because the work is so rich that you guys do. I want people to appreciate.
All right.
That you take young women who have HIV/AIDS, who have been through the horriblest, for want of a better word, folks, it's not a word, but the most horrible of circumstances, and you help them to turn their lives around. These are people who are on the brink of suicide, who don't know what next to do with their lives, and you help them.
All right, so we have 3 programs to better target our clients. So we have the I Am Alive program, which focuses on our HIV positive teen mothers. We have our ROAR program, which stands for Restoring Order to All Relationship, which focuses on our sexual abuse survivors. And we have our OVC program for our children who are affected by HIV and AIDS and gender-based violence. What is common among the 3 programs is that we ensure that we have them accessing counseling service, mentorship support, workshop and life skill training. We provide reintegration back into school and all of that. But I can focus more on our mentorship because it's a vital aspect of our work. As I said before, these are young women who have been in our program. They are now advocates. They represent us in many spaces and speak on the SRH issues of youth and adolescents. And these ladies pretty much are moms, next of kin to these girls, because some of them don't have any families. You know, all of that go, you know, father molested you, the mother not believe you, you get put out, and all of the old work. So we are that sister
the
for those.
family.
Right.
Yeah, so Garfield, it's amazing work that you all do. But there are challenges in running the organization. You're an NGO. How does funding come in?
All right. We receive funding from donor agencies, international donor agencies. As you mentioned, UNESCO, UNICEF, right, and others.
EU, and UN Women.
Okay.
Right, so the funds that we raise, those are for specific programs, right? But what we are doing now, this fundraising, is for more servicing our clients. We'll be using the funds to help with back-to-school bursaries. We'll be doing stuff like medical screening for some of the clients that we serve. And those funds that we're raising from the public will be going towards this kind of work that we do. Because the funds we get from our donors are specifically targeted for those projects.
Right.
We can't use those funds
So you need
for
funds
anything
for
else.
whatever is outside of those specified
Yes.
protocols. I know how these grants go, they're very specific. And if you step outside of the guidelines, you're in problems. NDTC, Sunday, August 4, that's this Sunday at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
What's going to be happening, folks?
Well, this is the performance that we hope to more highlight and showcase some of the work that we're doing. We're calling it Release and
Refresh.
Refresh.
Release and refresh.
And it is really to bring some of our clients to use art as a way of getting them to heal, to sort of,
Because in 2017, we wanted to be there for our clients, because we understand we can't be there 24/7.
No.
So we decided to infuse our therapy in our program, and we assessed it and we realized we had a great impact on their the coping skills and
fundamental.
and all of that.
Yes,
So,
especially with the younger kids, no?
right.
Yeah.
So this event is not just of a fundraising, but it's also a support group session because our survivors will be there and in the mix of everything.
Let me tell you that
So
art
if you
does have an
can't,
impact.
so if you can't make it, you can purchase this ticket, and a survivor will be there.
Okay, so it's $3,000 for the ticket. The event happens this Sunday at 5 o'clock at the Little Theatre, and it's essentially a benefit performance for
Yeah.
Eat for Life. There you see the handles on screen. If you guys have more information, tickets can be had where, Shanali?
So you can contact us at 620-0515, and that's our head office line, and we can facilitate delivery, picks up or anything.
Excellent. There are the numbers on screen. Twitter handle is on screen, Instagram handle on screen. You have it all, and it's money that's being raised for Eat for Life, which is an amazing organization, and the winner of the AmCham, the American Chamber of Commerce Award for Excellence in Civil Leadership in October of 2017, and they continue to change lives of young women and young people who are HIV and AIDS, living with both. And an STI program as well. So it's about awareness all across the board, and trying to change the lives of these young people, turn them around and have them have hope, because there is more ahead, right, Shanali?
More ahead.
All right, Sunday, August 5, $3,000. You'd be buying a ticket to the show, enjoying the show, facilitating art therapy, and carrying on the work of Eat for Life. Thank you both for being here with us this morning. So, Chair, appreciate it. Garfield Robinson, and Program Officer Shanali Smith. Anybody you want to say good morning to? Who's watching? Miss Joy watching?
I think she's watching, but good morning to our clients and our staff and all our Eat for Life affiliates.
Yes, you guys are amazing.
Yeah,
Keep up the
thank you.
fantastic, life-changing work.